Hello, welcome to another lesson. So in this lecture we are going to be covering the break view. So how the break view works is, let's add our part first. This time let's add the bolt. So we'll click on the bolt and click OK. And let's find a good view. Let's add the right view of the bolt. So we have something like that. So now how a break view works is, let's say and let me increase the scale of this bolt to I'm going to increase it to 4:1. So you have a bolt that is that big on the drawing. Sometimes you might be working with a part that is too big, so what you want to do is you want to shorten this bolt to fit the screen while still keeping your scale. So that's how you use the break view. So we'll click on the break and we'll select that view. So it's asking you, do you want to break it vertically or horizontally? In this one we want to break it horizontally, so we'll select the horizontal. So we had our first break line and we had our second break line over here. So what it does is it breaks that view by whatever dimension we put here. So we can do 0.25. So the space between those two lines is going to be 0.25, and it breaks that view just to fit our screen. But if I had the dimension to this, the dimension is still going to be the same. The bolt is still going to be 1.259 long, which is the model, but we are just cutting that view in half. Everything in between we are cutting it off just to make it fit in on our drawing sheet. So that is how the break view works. It just helps you cut the part itself to fit into your view, but you're not really modifying anything. Anyway, thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.